welcome back to Alaska Rural Homestead. Today we're going to be making a simple, easy rhubarb cake, and we're going to be making a delicious strawberry blight topping for it. Let's make some rhubarb cake. So I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven to 350. We need 2 cups of flour for this. One teaspoon of baking powder. We need 1.5 cups of sugar. Let's get that mixed up. We need 1 cup of milk. You could use buttermilk. We need 1/2 cup of oil. You could use any type of shortening that you like. I like to use coconut oil. We need 1 egg. Get this mixed up. We need a teaspoon of vanilla. Now this rhubarb, we need 2 cups of rhubarb. This is just cut in small little chunks that I've had in the refrigerator for just a couple days. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this spray. Now this is a really thick cake, but it's going to come out delicious. Okay, so this is going to go in the oven for about 35 minutes, depending on how long it takes. I'll be checking it with a toothpick to make sure it comes out clean, because this is some new stoneware that I was given. So we're going to go ahead and get it in the oven. Okay, so while our rhubarb cake is baking, we're going to go out and gather our strawberry blight for some topping. Okay, so we got our strawberry spinach picked. My hands are red. Like I said, this stuff makes a great dye. So I'm going to go ahead and get this rinsed. So we've got the strawberry spinach all picked. I've got it rinsed. And there's these little stems on here that you have to kind of remove if you so choose. So I removed as much as I could. And now I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of water in here. We're simply just going to make a sauce for over the rhubarb cake. So I got this on medium heat. So I've got 1 cup of water in here. I'm going to put, I don't want to make the sauce overly sweet. So I'm going to put roughly about a half a cup. And I'm going to let that come to a boil. All right, so our cake is done. I just checked it. It's been in there about 40 minutes. We're going to go ahead and let this cool while we make the sauce. Our sugar's dissolved now, and we're going to go ahead and add this. We're going to go ahead and add the strawberry blight. Now, as this is cooking down, we're just going to go ahead and mash it. I'm going to let this come to a boil and just mash it. I don't really have enough to make jelly or jam, so I'm just going to make this simple little sauce to go on the rhubarb. So this has been going about 10 minutes on medium heat. It's ready for me to put in the strainer. Now I've got a really fine strainer for this. And we're just going to go ahead and put this in the strainer. Look at all those seeds. Can you see those seeds? Okay, so we got it strained. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour all this juice back in the pan. So now that we got it strained and put back in the pan, we're going to add a little bit of the Sure Gel. This is just because I don't want so much liquid, and I don't have enough to make jelly. I'm just letting this cook down a little bit. So I've already preheated this jar, just to let you know you never want to put anything cold into a hot jar. So make sure it is the same temperature of what you're putting in it. So we're just going to let this cool a bit. Alright, so our rhubarb cake is completely cooled. As you can see, we've already been digging into it. And I did bake it for about 40 minutes. Now you might have to adjust your temperatures based on your elevation where you live. But it's a really simple cake to make. And it uses a lot of the ingredients that we have on our own homestead. Now you can use buttermilk, or you can use regular milk like I did. You could use cake flour, or you could use regular flour that I used. So hopefully you guys will give it a try. And our strawberry blight sauce came out wonderful. Now with this, you could add a little more pectin to thicken it up if you like.
Or even just a little bit of cornstarch will work.
But it is super delicious. And you know, this is the first time that I've used the strawberry spinach or strawberry blight, whatever you want to call it. So this is the first time that I've ever made this, and it really turned out wonderful. And it's not overly sweet. Now you could add more sugar if you wanted to, but it seems to be just perfect. And it's going to come in handy for some nice pancakes or
ice cream topping even. The nice thing about this is not only is it nutritious, but it's something that, you know, if you're in our area for sure, it's real easy to find and it's free. So just a little bit of gathering skills and you can go out and get something that's very yummy to eat. And I know people are going, oh, but it's a weed. Seriously, it is very good. Try a piece right off the stalk before you do anything with it and you'll see what we're talking about.
Now you can buy strawberry blight seeds, rare seeds.
It's either rare seeds or Johnny's seeds, but
I believe it's rare seeds that you can purchase these strawberry blight seeds. But this just happens to grow in my garden area and it will reseed itself. So if you just kind of let it be, you'll have more.
And it'll take over if you're not careful, so.
And it really overwinters well. It will definitely come back the next year, so no problem there. Anyways, I've got some more planting to do, and I want to show you my other little garden area that I have some things planted. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video.
Stick around for more great videos from Alaska Rural Homestead. Don't forget to give us that thumbs up. You know, hit that subscribe button and definitely hit that notification button if you're already a subscriber so you can get more great videos from us. And as always, send us questions or comments. We like to improve our channel for you, our viewer. And God bless. Have a great day.
Bye now.